I'm Michael Beeks, Principal Environmental Health and Safety Analyst for Philadelphia Gear. I am standing beside a right angle 36 FP pump drive, used mostly in wastewater applications. And I'm here to talk to you about some of the safety aspects of the unit. We will start with the proper lifting and moving of the unit. As you can see, there are two lifting points located on the unit. They are 90 degrees off of the input shaft. As you see, is one here, and there's another one 180 degrees off on the back side of the unit. We have used a 10-ton chain sling for the lift. You want to ensure that the point is located to the rear and the back of the hook is located towards the shaft to ensure a proper level load lift. The unit itself weighs approximately 14,700 pounds, which is around 7.5 tons. We have also installed an eye bolt for the safe attachment of a tag line for the movement of the unit without the possibility of spinning or turning. And also a plate down at bottom in the event that we have to angle the unit in any way for the installation purposes. There are several rotating and pinch point hazards associated with this unit. We will first discuss the input shaft. Upon full installation, there should be a shaft guard placed around the input shaft. At no time should that guard ever be removed until proper electrical and mechanical lockout tagout has been achieved. We also have one access point. At no time should that cap ever be removed until the proper electrical and mechanical lockout tagout being achieved. We also recommend never placing any body part inside the unit after the cap has been removed unless verified lockout tagout has been achieved. There are several pressure relief valves located on the lubrication system. They are set at 90 psi, and that is a high enough pressure to inject into the skin. We highly recommend keeping all body parts away from these safety valves until operation has ceased. If you have any questions during the installation or maintenance of this unit or concerns about its safety, please contact your local sales representative.